In the ever-evolving world of finance, one question stands as a formidable barrier between investors and financial success: the investor's dilemma. At the heart of this enigma, one name shines brighter than most: Tesla. Today, we embark on a journey that will decipher this riddle, uncover the secrets of timing, and reveal the key to unlocking Tesla's stock potential. Let me tell you, with the shocking developments we will be covering today, there is ample reason to think a massive stock price spike is in the cards very, very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a world where fortunes are made, risks are taken, and decisions can change the course of your financial future. Buckle up, because the road to Tesla success starts right here, right now. But before we proceed any further, make sure to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to keep updated about Tesla. With that said, let us keep this video. Since the company dropped its Q2 earnings bombshell, the stock has been on a roller coaster, flipping nearly 20 opposite direction. Last week's superhero-like recovery saved the shares from plunging off a cliff by a whopping 25. But guess what? Year to date, Tesla stock has been throwing a money party for investors, rocketing up by a jaw-dropping 98.9, while the SCT 500 index is stuck in a slow motion dance with a mere 17.6 increase for the year. Just remember that 1 month stumble. Blame it on the sudden surge in competition and the ominous shadow of Marin worries, all triggered by those sneaky price cuts. But wait, there's a whole lot more to the story. First off, it seems like the market has a severe case of amnesia when it comes to Tesla's Q2 showstopper. We're talking about numbers that look like they're from another dimension, with Tesla pumping out a mind-boggling 480,000 vehicles and delivering nearly 466,000 of them. It's an 83 jump in production and an 86-ton delivery party compared to last year's snooze fest. Sure, Tesla has been trimming prices left and right since the year kicked off, and yes, that did put a little dent in their quarterly margins, but here's the twist: cuts didn't punch the bottom line as hard as those Wall Street worrywart thought they would. Hold on tight, because the excitement doesn't stop there. Tesla's gearing up for the grand unveiling of the Model 3 Highland, a ride everyone's been waiting for. Rumor has it it's going to be priced even lower than the current Model 3, setting the stage for a wild delivery frenzy in the second half of the year. And that's not all. Tesla's betting big on its full self-driving software, which is like the superhero cape that's going to save the day once it goes full throttle. It's not just going to make Tesla's profit margins pop. It's going to be a cash cow on autopilot. FSD is all about making Tesla cars run the show without a human driver. Right now, it's at level 3, where you still need a human co-pilot. But once it takes the reins, not only will it beef up Tesla's profits, but it's going to keep the cash registers ringing with recurring revenues, thanks to Tesla's grand vision of robotaxis. So, and if you're still wondering whether it's time to jump on the Tesla bandwagon, buckle up, because this ride is far from over. You won't believe what's happening in the world of electric vehicles right now. It's like a futuristic race. And guess who's zooming ahead in the lead? That's right, it's Tesla. And boy, do they have some amazing tricks up their sleeve. First things first, Tesla is all about being at the forefront of technology. They're the magicians of the EV world. They've conjured up some seriously innovative stuff. I'm talking about batteries that are so efficient they make the competition look like they're still playing catch up. A Tesla car can go way farther on a single charge compared to the others. For instance, the Tesla Model 3 long range can take you on an epic 358-mile journey on just one charge. Meanwhile, the competition can only manage around 259 miles. It's like comparing a marathon runner to someone doing a leisurely jog in the park. And then there's Tesla's autopilot system. It's like having your own personal chauffeur ready to take over the driving duties on highways, giving you a break and making those long drives a lot more enjoyable. Imagine kicking back, relaxing, and watching the world go by while your car does the hard work. It's the kind of thing you'd expect in a sci-fi movie, but Tesla's making it a reality. But wait, there's more. Tesla's supercharger network is a game changer. It's like having your favorite coffee shop on every street corner, but instead of coffee, you get a super fast charge for your car. With over 30,000 supercharger stations scattered across the globe, you'll never have to stress about running out of juice again. It's like having an A-list sidekick that always has your back. Now, let's talk about Tesla's swag. People adore Tesla because they're all about innovation and going green. Their brand reputation is so strong that they can charge a premium for their vehicles. In fact, in 2021, the average selling price of a Tesla was over 50 grand. That's way more than your average EV, and it just goes to show how much people love what Tesla stands for. But here's where things get even more interesting. Tesla is an absolute master of production efficiency. They've got this unique approach where they make almost everything themselves, which keeps their costs down. Unlike their competitors who have to buy battery cells from other suppliers, Tesla is doing it all in-house. It's like having your own secret recipe for success. It gives them a massive cost advantage. And here's the icing on the cake. Tesla has deep pockets. They're sitting on a pile of cash, over $18 billion to be exact, and they don't need to borrow money. This financial muscle allows them to invest heavily in research and development and expand their production capacity without breaking a sweat. But hold on, there's a twist in the plot. The competition is heating up with traditional car makers diving headfirst into the EV game. It's like the big showdown in an action movie. So the big question is, can Tesla keep up the pace and stay ahead of the game? They'll need to keep pushing the boundaries, pouring cash into new ideas, and cranking out more cars to stay in pole position. Now, here's a real head scratcher for you. The market is kind of like that person who's ignoring a gold mine right under their nose. You see everyone's talking about Tesla's electric cars, but there's this hidden treasure they're overlooking. It's Tesla's full self-driving software, and it's a game changer. The crazy part, it says Tesla could potentially let other electric vehicle makers in on the action. Yep, Tesla's rivals might just become its new best buddies. Imagine that. But wait, there's more. Tesla superchargers, those high-speed charging stations that feel like they for everywhere have become the go-to standard in North America. They're like the Starbucks of the EV world. TLA is not keeping this a secret either. They've inked charging deals with General Motors and Ford, making it official. That means in the not so distant future, GM's electric vehicles will be cozying up to Tesla's charging ports. It's like a universal plug for EVs, and Tesla's leading the charge. So it's over. The leaves are falling, and Tesla's about to unveil its Q3 earnings report. Wall Street's got its calculator out, crunching numbers and expecting an 80-cent per share profit on a whopping $24, 67 cents billion in revenue for the 3-month stretch ending in September. It's a big deal. But let's turn back the clock for a sec. So last year, during the same period, Tesla was bringing in $1.05 per share in earnings with revenue at $21.96 billion. But here's where it gets interesting. For the full year, earnings are projected to take a little dip, landing at $344 per share. However, full year revenue is set to shoot up by a whopping 22.5, reaching $9.78 billion. That's like going from a cool ride to a rocket ship. Now, assuming Tesla pulls off a show-stopping performance, beats those expectations, and tosses in some impressive full year guidance, get ready for the stock to go turbo. We're talking about a ride toward $300 and beyond. Imagine that, cruising with Tesla when the stock's currently hovering around $245. It's like getting the green light to hop on board. Pump checkers on top. Tesla's supercharger network, their energy ventures and that futuristic full self-driving powered by AI. It's like the ultimate package deal that could send Tesla's stock on a joyride to the stars. Tesla's like that daring pioneer in the electric vehicle world, but hold on to your hats because it's not all smooth sailing. Let's dive into some of the risks you need to be aware of. Tesla's got some serious competition knocking on its door. Traditional car makers are pouring truckloads of cash into EV development. They've got the upper hand with established production and distribution networks, which could give Tesla a run for its money. But as we already mentioned, they are more likely to be allies soon. Picture disruptions like the COVID-19 pandemic or global conflicts like the one in Ukraine can throw a wrench into Tesla's supply chain. Shortages of crucial parts and materials could cramp Tesla's production style and hit their profits where it hurts. Tesla's playing the technology game, and it's like a high wire act. If competitors leapfrog with more advanced EV tech, Tesla might find itself losing its cool factor and market share. Also, keep in mind that Tesla dances to the tune of a lot of regulations, both at home and abroad. But guess what? Those rules can change, and when they do, they can mess with Tesla's playbook. Here's the thing. Tesla is kind of like that young adult still finding its financial footing. It hasn't consistently turned to profit, and it's lugging around a hefty load of debt. That's like a financial tightrope walk right there. Tesla's stock price is like a roller coaster right now. It's trading at sky-high valuations. People are basically paying a premium for Tesla's dreams of future growth. And Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, is a real character. Some folks love him, others not so much. He's known for his wild promises and unpredictable behavior. Buckle up. While Tesla's cars are kind to the environment when they're on the road, making those EV batteries isn't all rainbows and butterflies. That involves mining lithium and other stuff, which can be a real downer for the environment. So here's the desting. And Tesla is like a high stakes poker game. You've got to weigh these risks and keep these extras in mind. Tesla's stock can do loop-de-loops and corkscrews. It's not for the faint-hearted. Tesla is not just an American gig. Changes in the world economy can send ripples through its business. Being a tech company comes with its own set of risks, like staying on top of the latest tech trends. Tesla is not your run-of-the-mill investment. So it's a wild ride. Do your homework, talk to a financial pro, and make sure you're up for the adventure before taking the plunge. So there you have it, folks. The thrilling world of Tesla stock dissected right before your eyes. Now, before you race off, we've got a couple questions for you. What are your thoughts on Tesla's electrifying future? Yeah. Are you considering hopping on board the Tesla stock train? And most importantly, did you enjoy the ride with us today? If you found this journey through Tesla's world as exciting as we did, don't forget to hit that like button. And of course, subscribe to Tesla Stock News for more electrifying updates and financial adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you again in our other videos